Installing the Aspire Kodi build on Kodi 21 Omega is a straightforward process that enhances your streaming experience. First, launch Kodi and navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. From there, head to the File Manager and select Add Source. Here, you'll enter the URL for the Aspire repository. Make sure to double-check the URL for accuracy. Once that's done, return to the main menu and click on Add-ons. Select the open box icon at the top, then choose Install from zip file. Locate the source you just added and select the repository zip file. After the repository installs, go back and select Install from repository. Find the Aspire repository, then choose Program Add-ons and install the Aspire build. After installation, you can access the build from the main menu. Just give it a moment to download all the necessary components, and you're all set. Enjoy the sleek interface and a plethora of streaming options that Aspire offers. Happy streaming!